Good day, good morning. Welcome everyone, happy Friday. Welcome guys. Great to see you, chat. Ha ha ha, welcome guys. What's up everyone? We've got news coming out, be careful. We got news coming out. Oh yeah, 225, what happened yesterday? Look at that one guys, for those of you that are not familiar, $41,000 for yesterday. Was it the 7th of April? May, not April. 41,805. Ha ha ha. I was talking about it on my Discord. There you go guys, we pushed the account. Just like the Nasdaq chart, as I tagged. The PNL is following the Nasdaq chart. And we got 375,000 on our Lucid Flex account. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for your attention to this matter. This is where we are. News coming out in 20 seconds. Be careful, guys. Red folder, triple news, average hourly earnings. Oh, non-farm employment change and unemployment rate. Morning, everyone. Let's do some trading, guys. Come on. Oh, yeah. The market is moving. Oh, yeah. Ha, ha, ha. We have a new high for today. Look at that. I'm going to trade this account for the moment. What do we have here? 115,000. Non-farm employment change. Double than expected. Unemployment rate coming out the same. Oh, look at that one. Oh, yeah. That's double than expected, guys. Changing the number of employed people during the previous month, excluding the farming industry. Oh, yeah. We only had a 65,000 forecast, and this came out at 115,000. Good day. Oh, look at that. Ha, 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 ha. What a wick. I'm gonna test out a little long here. 7 minis. I'm out. 350 bucks, guys. 350 bucks. We need that so much. We need that. We gotta be on fire today. We gotta be on fire. Boom. Ha ha ha. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Let me just go ahead and share the presentation with all the community members. You don't want to miss out completing the form. You don't want to miss out completing the form. We're right here. We're right there. Oh yeah. Good day, good morning. Wish you a beautiful time here for the Friday. We're doing $100,000 today. An easy 350 bucks, right? An easy 350. This account is in a very good condition, close to 156, which means another 2,000 needed. And we're ready to secure the payout from the YRM. Yes, as long as it's fine for news trading. Totally fine, yes. No restrictions on news trading at all. In terms of the micro scalping, 50%. Of your profits must come from trades you held minimum 10 seconds. 50% of your profits at the withdrawal time must come from trades you held minimum 10 seconds. So if you have a target of, 3,000, then $1,500 of profit must come from trades you held minimum 10 seconds. Half of your profits must come from there. YRM still running on the big promos, guys, including the resets. Resets are cheaper. Scramble code on the resets as well on the original price pretty much works everywhere. They had a bug for about 2 or 3 days, and the resets were not working on my code, but it has been fixed and we're all fine with that. Yeah. There's 5% extra, right? So on top of the discounts, there's 5% extra. I'm trading the 150,000 instant funded for the best choice. Here we have our accounts. Oh yeah, look at that one. Are we gonna just make a new all-time high here? We're 7-8 points away. Yeah, 49 bucks. Ha ha ha. Oh. It's not because you hit your daily loss with that one. JCE. Good morning, good day everyone. It's not because of that. They move your profit target when you have a consistency problem, when you have a consistency situation. The $49 times are not sustainable for the company unless they have a massive audience, which they don't. Is not sustainable. The whole company is run from New York City, guys, from New York City. So the expenses are insane. Yeah. Which do I prefer between a 50,000 Lucid and a 50,000 YRM? I think both are great. We're running all-time high, guys. And I would test both. I would test both. YRM is cheaper. But Lucid Flex is no consistency and target, basically. Right? So it's a little bit different. That's why I would test both. Yes. JCE, you have an equity stability score, you don't have consistency. Equity stability score is something wild. It's hard to get to the payout with equity stability score. That's not a consistency. Yeah, equity stability score is very hard. Even with 70 bucks, exactly, it's the cheapest. And then the reset is even cheaper. Yes, exactly. So from second cycle, third cycle, if you would be to compare, the Lucid helps you there. Lucid helps you there. You have an edge over that one because you only have to do 50%. The deals are running, but certainly not going to be at a 40 bucks. 46, 47, right? So you always have 5% extra on YRM on the evaluations, even on the reset prices, 5% extra, even on that one. And then the instant funded, instead of 40, what they're giving you, it is 50% from the total price, right? So an additional 10% from the entire price. You know, the 150,000, what I'm trading is 900, so you have an additional 90 bucks. I just got 32 in 24th of April. Yeah, equity stability score accounts on the top one are the hardest to trade, not suggesting them. Personally, not suggesting them. Right, so for top one, you have the instant funding accounts that are their choice, basically, with the end of the day drawdown. Let me give you the link, guys. You have an additional discount here too with a top one. Yes, of course. They have YRM has about 4 to 5 days on a regular payout if your payout is not going in the queue of additional verification. If there is additional verification needed, that's a different thing. But other than that, they're running payouts daily. You can see that on Payout Junction, right? So Payout Junction, you can see the payouts rolling out daily. Wow, we just went all-time high based on the news we got here. The non-farm employment change was coming out extremely good, guys. 115,000. We spiked to all-time high with this. I don't think it's a big deal to question 29,000 plus today on the New York session. Good day, good morning. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. I am testing a short here, guys. 7 minis. It's Friday. I'd like to retest the 900s. Hello, good morning, good day, everyone. Great to have you on board. Thank you so much for joining. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on. Let's pick up those numbers. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. Jó reggelt. That's how you say good morning in Hungarian. Jó reggelt. Reggel means morning. Oh yeah. Maybe I got a little over-enthusiastic here for a continuation downwards. Looks like the trend is still intact. Could have been something like this. I'm gonna have to cut this one soon. Look at that. Oh my god. This is crazy, guys. Look at it. It's the New York session and we're running. Big time. I'm working, cutting this away. I'm just waiting a little bit here for initial rejection and then I can go stop loss at a tap. Oh, lovely. We're gonna open up our Lucid, guys, and work towards the payment of 5 accounts of 150,000 Lucid Flexes. We got 5 funded of Lucid Flexes. The big boy ones. You know, Lucid Flex is no consistency and target on the funded stage. This was not the best entry. I need the next 5-minute candle closing out red. The next 5-minute candle to be red. Exactly. I mean, I'm expecting the markets to nicely jump during the New York session, but as for now, it has to be some form of retracement. Yes. Oh yeah. Yeah, could go basically another 500 points. Oh my gosh. What an aggressive outcome. Right, so the next 5-minute candle. Give it out, please. The next 5-minute candle. I got in a short in my Lucid Flex. You certainly want to see that, guys. I got in a short here. This is the big boy Lucid Flex account. I got in a short 10 minis. $10 short. Ha 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 ha. Good day, Matty. You haven't seen what happened yesterday, Matty. Let me share with you what happened yesterday. I was talking about on our Discord. You guys like that entry? Ha 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 ha. Watch out. This is what happened yesterday, guys. 41,000 net PNL. Unbelievable. And then this is what we traded. 10 minutes short from there. Look at that one. Ha 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 ha. And I'm gonna hold this one all the way to this levels here. 900. Ha ha ha. Oh my gosh. We had basically 2 accounts at that level. Look at that one, guys. 2 accounts. 38, 38. Those were the active trades. Was like that. $76, right? 76,000. Oh yeah. Watch out for this. We haven't sold our trade on YRM. They can't scare me out that easily. Ha 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 ha. I'm going to reduce the sizing here in a potential... You know, what if we bounce? That's why. That's my only concern. What if we bounce from here? I'd like to reshort if we bounce from here. Reshort higher. Lovely. So we sold 4 minis. Reduce the sizing. But we're still making big money here with 10 minis. Nah, I don't think they're closing doors. Ha ha ha. What a great feeling, guys. What a great feeling with a Lucid performance. 40,000 in a day. 40 freaking thousand. Yes, top level prop firm. Look at that one, guys. You like this money we're making? Ha 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 ha. Let me get out of my YRM. I'm out of my YRM. Lovely. 1,000 total here, guys. We're going to celebrate that soon. In the meantime, I'm going to get out of this. Beautiful. 7,500. Let me get out of the other one too. Look at that. Boom. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, 7,500, $383,000. What a short of 10 minis. What a short of 10 minis. Boom. And then on the other side, $1,000, reaching all the way to 156 620s. You know what that means? Yeah. We still need 1,380 here. Good morning, good day everyone. Thank you so much. I think they're going to review. There is quite many people under the flagged situation from what I've seen. And it looks like it takes some time for them to review the procedure. They gotta improve that quickly. Because that's not gonna be enjoyed by people for sure. Look at that one. Wordfire 1000 on YRM. And many other 7,500 on Lucid+. Plus another account of 7,280. So that's an extreme level of fire. Extreme level. Still not longing. This is very dangerous, guys, to touch the longs. Very dangerous. This might go down to the place we started the whole move. It's Friday, as I said. That's why I shorted earlier. Whoever is slow on that, reach out to me on Discord with a direct message. Whoever is slow on the YRM, reach out to me on Discord with a direct message. With your account number and ticket ID, if you have a ticket ID. And I'm reaching out for you guys to speed it up. Speed up the procedure that's happening. Are we gonna go for the 400,000 today? Thank you, guys. I am thinking about if we could go for the 400k today. This is not an easy moment of longing it. I can tell you that. You know, I'm reshorting this. I'm reshorting this gun. You know, they Lucid is paying without problems. Look at that, guys. Lucid is his #1 company. You have a payout cap. I'm not able to take out 200 grand. I know that. Everyone is knowing that. You have a payout cap. We have a short here as well. Just got out, made 200 bucks. It's always good, guys. It's always good. Yeah, Lucid is paying within the same day, if not within the same minute or hour most of the time. It's just insane how top level it is. Yes, exactly. Based in minutes. Alright guys, make sure to like the video, be subscribed to our Discord, like the video guys, come on. We gotta hit minimum 180 likes to touch the target for the giveaways today. Oh yeah. Got in a little short here on the YRM account. Thank you guys. Sure. So the base chart that I'm using is the trading view. This is the most important part, right? This is the main thing for me, the trading view chart, this one. Oh my gosh, what happened there, guys? I'm out of this. We made too much money on that side. And I think we're making money here as well. Let me put a stop loss break even. And I'm going to look into my YRM trade soon. I put a stop loss break even here, guys. So YRM, we made too much money on that one. Oh, yeah. What happens here, guys? Do we have some news? Do we have some news again? I trade by a combination. I got a combination, basically, of elements that I consider. So I have the main chart, 5-minute. But then, obviously, I consider the 15-minute, 1 hour, 4 hours, and the daily representation. I consider that too. And the whole execution happens on the 1 minute. That's the place the whole execution happens. We just touched the algo line here, and I'm wondering about, but I still believe this can be dirty and come all the way to this level. 882. You know, I nicely secured my position here. We got a lovely profit. Ha ha ha. Yes, they're waiting for a wrong confirmation. No, I'm looking at the trading view plus the 1 minute. The trading view is 5-minute chart. This is a 5-minute representation where we have a lot of technicals. This one. Right? 5-minute. This is the place I am mapping my trade. The execution happens on the 1 minute. Based on the price action. Right? So I'm mapping the whole thing based on the technicals. Plus the external side of the market in terms of news and external inputs. And then the mapping is completed, so then we go to the 1 minute. And we certainly do the execution on the 1 minute. But for the mapping purposes, I consider basically the 5-minute, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, daily chart. We probably got stopped out on break even. Yes. We got stopped out on break even. Not an issue, guys. We have 7,540. I wanted to make a lot more. But here we are. We have an account here at 1,460 on YRM. We actually made money on both. 1,460. And on the other one, we made way more than needed. 3,255. So I have to lose here quite a lot, right? I'm gonna go 7 minis. We have to lose here. We should not cross 1,600, 650. So we gotta lose half of it. There you go. No, I haven't done that. Payouts versus expenses. I haven't done that lately. The last time we did it was good profits. It was late 2025. I'm not really pressured by the ratio or by... You know, this is also one of the things that are very important, I think, not to be pressured by the risk of losing the account. I mean, that would be the ideal way of dealing, right? That would be the ideal way to be able to dedicate a little larger budget, right? That would be the ideal way. Because the additional risk that comes with the fact that what if I lose my last 45 bucks is an additional risk that you don't need. Yeah, it's a business. As long as I'm running it on profit, I'm good. Oh yeah, we're making more money here. In terms of other details of profits, they're not going to have disclosure other than what we can see. It's all on the stream. Looks like it's going to be such a day. We gotta lose some money here. Come on, guys. Help me lose some money here. 1,600. Alright, let's make some money on the other Lucid accounts. Testing out a short from here. From the lows. It's risky, right? Shorting the lows. I don't know of that, Gonzalez. As soon as I find details on the subject or I'm out here. $343. Perfect, guys. Perfect. Celebration. We only need $250 minimum. So I'll take that 343 here. Boom. Lucid Flex funded 150,000. It's not evaluation, it's funded. Lucid Flex 150,000 funded. We're making too much money here. I'm out. The algo line we have here basically is dynamic swing and short VWAP. Very useful. We used to get reactions on that one, guys. 50, 20, and 10. You want to look into that with those settings. That's what we got. And I can send you the link of the indicator. There you go. Oh, so we're touching the yellow line, what we've been talking about. We've been talking about the yellow line, guys. Is it time for us to touch it? We gotta lose some money from here. We don't need those profits. Moving to our next account on Lucid, another funded. I'm out here, $88 profit. $88 profit. No, I gotta lose on this account on YRM because I made too much money. They got the 20% consistency on instant funded. So I'm limited with that. Oh yeah. What a great feeling. The most important combination, the most important consideration is to have confluence. Is to have confluence on the elements that I look forward to. I like the meaningful points. Meaningful points that are reflecting algo reactions, right? So for scalping, you're happy with 10, 15, 20 points, even 7 points. You got to work with a size sufficiently dedicated for those points to satisfy you. If you want 60 points, if you want 50 points or 100 points, it's no longer a scalping model. And we're actually opening the doors for probably the most difficult model of trading. There are models of trading that are more difficult than the other. Not all the type of trading has the same difficulties. Obviously, if you go with a model where you work only with micros, 3 micros, 5 micros, you need points. You need points to cover profits. So I think there has to be a balance between your capabilities, style, and the risk management approach. You might underperform in terms of risks, overperform in terms of safety. You might go for too much safety or not having your points needed. You got good trades that are at some point reversing and ending up in loss. If you would have a higher sizing on that, probably you would have exited. I do know a lot of the people do not get out of their trades and the market comes back and they're missing out on a profit. In so many cases, it's because they don't have the right sizing. It's because they're underreacting to that. So you want to get an account then with Lucid. Kim, you want to get an account with Lucid. I found my way to mix up all the considerations in the best approach possible with hours and hours of trading on the live stream. Oh, look at that. I'm going to test out along here, guys. All right? I'm going to test out along here. I'm looking for confluence. Oh, congratulations for that, Kim. You can have max 5 funded accounts. Max 5 funded and unlimited evaluations. Yeah, I'm showing you the settings soon. I think the next candle should be green here. That would be lovely. The next 1 minute candle. Could just get out here. I got my target basically. I could just get out here because I got my target of 250. I'm out. 301 profit. Lovely. Celebration time. You know, Lucid Flex funded stage, you need minimum 5 days of 250 bucks. You don't need more than that. Minimum 5 days of 250 bucks. Boom. We have 301. The other account made 343. And then the big boy accounts here, 7,380. And 7,540. Look at the total balance. It's just insane, right? You see, this is a place I have the rule when we undercut or overcut below or above the pivot point, I'm going for my scalping. Rule number 1, you want to go break even as quickly as possible when there is additional risk in that context. New York session is different. It's different. 90% of my trades and 90% of the money I'm producing is during the London. Yes, right now it is better. You want to go have 5 funded. We got it along here as well on 7 minis. I got to lose money on this account because we have 20% consistency and we got to lose quite a lot. Yeah, we got to lose quite a lot. There you go. We got to lose like more than 6,000. So for this one, I'm gonna do some 2 contracts long limit order. This is another funded. We got 5 funded. Yes. I know. I'm not gonna lose in that trade. Nasdaq is gonna probably climb up. Well, we're gonna lose at some point when we won. When we won, we're gonna... Did we touch my entry? Yes, we touched my entry here. 2 minis long. The limit order we said earlier. Yes. Ha ha ha. When I want to lose, I lose. When I want to... Actually, vice versa. When I want to lose, I win. When I want to win, I win. Come on, guys. Two or 3 green candles in a row. We're fine with that. I'm showing you the indicator soon, guys. Ha 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 ha. Casino open. I don't mind it. What time do I start trading London? As soon as we start our live stream. So basically all the trades I do are fully on the live stream. All of them. There is no prior trading. There's no such a thing. Dan Forex. Symbols is just about Nasdaq for me. Nothing else. Just about Nasdaq. I'm out of this one, guys. Enough 373 profit here as well. We don't need more because simply 250 bucks is the minimum needed for the 150,000 flexes. Keep in mind, a flex is no consistency on target. So it's just 5 minimum days. 373. Basically all the 5 accounts are in profit right now. On Lucid Flex. All the 5 funded. Ha 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 ha. We're having a good time here. We're having a good time here. I'm cutting this. 10,010. Ha ha ha. Let's just do some nice celebration, guys. Come on. Let's just do some nice celebration. Oh yeah. 0 losses today. Boom. 0. 0. We talked about that level, guys. The dynamic swing settings are the following. Swing period 50, adaptive price tracking 20, and volatility bias 10. For me, this works best in the 5-minute candle. And the algo gives me lovely reaction points. Look at that. If you look back in the day here, we did have lovely reaction points. And even if you've been waiting for the candle to close, the candle that reacted on the algo, you are waiting for that candle to close and you open up the very next one, straight from the very first second. Look at that. In both situations, you have a correct long entry. That makes you money. Yeah. Just look at that one. And if you size properly, you don't need to do 200 trades to get to your target of the day. Right? So if you do not size, I mean, there's two mistakes with the sizings, and people just underestimate the second type of mistake. Everyone is focusing on the first model of the mistake, which is oversizing. Oversizing is a terrible situation, right? When you're overexposed, over-leveraged, that's right. But what about undersizing? That's the second mistake you can do, which can have the same consequences and outcome, just like the first, but in a different formula. Undersizing your trades requires you to overperform. So you're actually requesting yourself, guys, to overperform by undersizing. It's simple. You gotta do more trades or you gotta do more points. With every single second you spend in the markets, you're exposing yourself to uncertainty and risks. So, is it beneficial to sit in the markets for a longer period of time? Is it beneficial to request more quantity of trades than less quantity of trades for the same targets? Yeah. Thank you. I'm not touching Apex. I'm not suggesting I'm not touching. Not touching Apex, guys. We have a lot better options than Apex. No. I'm not touching that. There's many reasons why we're not touching that. So, in terms of the other, what's the red line and the purple line values? Purple line is 200 EMA on the 5-minute, 200 EMA. Right, it's the 200 EMA. We have an EMA indicator with 20, 50, 100, and 200 days, right? And we've only turned on the purple line that stands for 200 days. I'm going to give you the indicator script as well. All these indicators are free. And this is the dynamic swing, the red line which sometimes becomes green with its dynamic swing ensured VWAP by Zierman. 50 swing period, 20 adaptive price tracking, and 10 volatility bias. Yes. Yes. You gotta know when to break from the charts. Less is always better. Exactly. Ticker cap, there you go. Welcome everyone. This is an interesting situation which could give us a point or two. But let me tell you something very important, guys. So if we have a situation that's favoring longing the price action, we also have to understand and portray what we could expect from that trade. and how feasible and realistic is our expectation from that trade. Do you guys think the market should give you as many points needed for your target to hit just because you're named whatsoever and you're trading today? Certainly not. Just because you want to make money, the market is not going to care about it, and it's not going to give you the points because of that. So you want to exit at a place where you have a target. The target is based on a consistency, is based on your daily target, is based on things that the market will never care about. How do you expect the market to function based on things like this? And how do you expect your business model to function if you correlate it with such a unproductive judgment? So thank you guys. Thank you, Dr. Kulu. Yeah. Think about it. If I get in along here and I start expecting from this trade 50 points, it's my mistake. If I get in along and expect 5 points, it's a different thing. I could be right with that. So think about it. I think most of you are right in the direction of trading, but you are targeting wrong. And that's what's going to cost you. You cannot collect the rightfully needed profits. Stream in German language. We can start speaking in Germany. Guten Tag, guten Morgen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 20 Euro. Let me think about, guys. Let me think about. If you want to talk about das ist gut, nein, zurück. I know a lot of the cities from football. I once had a Bayer Motorenwerken. Danke. Hamburg, Berlin, Köln, Düsseldorf, Dortmund, Stuttgart. There you go. Been many times there, guys. That's a lovely place. Been many times. I like their bretzel. You know, very popular bretzel. I don't drink beers, but I guess your beer is great. French, a little less with that. A little less with French. We're going to start and possibly end with merci. Merci beaucoup. Are they illegal? Are they sitting in Germany illegal immigrants? Bonjour, yes. Just gotta remind us. Parla français? Ha ha ha. What else do we have? Je m'appelle Scrambo. Je m'appelle Scrambo. Right? What else do we have, guys? Yes. Haha. I like French cuisine, and the menu is in French there at some places we hang out. So we got to call out. Oh, we got the market opening, guys. We got the market. There you go. Here we are. Greetings from Barcelona. From that popular street around Barcelona. How do you call that popular street? Very popular. Very, very popular in the middle. Oh, it's not coming through my mind. Oh, I've been a lot of the times in Spain. 6 times in Ibiza. 6 times. How do you call it? Ibiza. Exactly. Oh, we're moving, guys. We're moving. I have no trades running around. I'm in Budapest right now. The last dinner I had bogavantes. Paella con bogavantes. The last dinner I had in Spain. Paella con bogavantes. You guys like that? Wondering about what we should do here for the execution. I'm missing my points here. I couldn't long. I could not long this. I was not feeling it. Oh yeah. Watch out. It's that yellow line, guys. It's the yellow line. Pinchos. Ha ha ha. I'll take, you know what I'll take? Instead of beer in Spain, I'll take a cubata with something else. Or a chupito. Chupito. Oh, you got that. Made from plants. What's the name of that drink made from plants in Ibiza? Not coming through my mind. Let me search for that. Let me quickly look for that. Made from plants. Has about 18 to 20 degree alcohol. Hierbas. Hierbas. Hierbas ibicencas. Ha ha ha. This one is good. Hierbas ibicencas. Oh yeah. Back all the way to yesterday high, ripping through the clouds. Becoming unstoppable. 0 trades for me for the moment. 0. How dare not to monetize this, guys. How dare. I have not monetized this. What a shame. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on. Let's bring up those numbers. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. Sangria, exactly. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my god. What's wrong with it, guys? Look at that. Good morning, good day. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Make sure to complete the form for the giveaways. Oh, yeah. Made some money here, about 700 bucks. We had 10,010 on the YRM. But I have to lose from here, guys. 9,000 must be lost from this account. Right, so do not judge me on that. I have to lose $9,000 because of the consistency reasons. We're close to going all-time high. And I wouldn't mind that. We had a non-farm employment change incredibly well compared to the forecast. Yeah, I'm shorting right here. Out, little profit, 500 bucks. I like that. Good day, welcome everyone. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. We have an all-time high. We still haven't crossed 29,000. Made some little money by shorting this. Testing out another short here, guys. 7 minis. I'm out. Oh yeah. What are we up to? Short. 7 minutes short. We can lose $10,000 from here. 10,000. And have our target touched by losing 10K. What a beautiful way of doing business. I've secured that money. I only say I want to lose, but I'm trying to make more and more. Testing out along here. With a take profit around this level. Stop loss break even. Touch the break even. Making more and more and more. Giveaways form in the chat and in our Discord. Right, so in order to participate, you got to be a member of our Discord, like the community, and be subscribed to this YouTube channel with the notification turned on, streaming from Monday to Friday. Watch out for this candle we had here. It's just insane, right? Watch out, there is strength behind it. Testing out a little short, guys. Ha ha ha. Stop loss break even. Let's make some money. Let's make some more money. Stop loss break even. Ha 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 ha. Oh yeah. Ha 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 ha. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I like this so much. Oh, we touch. Rip it. Ha ha ha. What a reaction, guys. Look at that. What a reaction. We'll be testing a little long here. I'm out. Made some money with that. Best of luck in trading. Ah, good to have you, Jake. Oh, look at that, 12,600. And we don't need that much. We only need 1,600 here because of consistency reasons. So I'm ready to lose more than 10,000. Just to wrap up the things, the other account is 1,460, which is great. And then on Lucid, we have 5 out of 5 profit. All of them profit. No losses today. 0. The big boy account, 7,540. 383 in the account. Another usual day, I would say. Right, so we gotta lose some money. So let's short the markets that are ripping. Let's short the markets that are ripping. I'm out of this. Oh, we got lose on the other. I was on the wrong account. I was on the wrong account. But still made 200 bucks. Expecting nothing less. I'm looking for seeing my day on those big Lucid boy accounts that are having 380 grand. Having a day of 50 grand loss or 100 grand loss. Market cipher. Possibly yes, something around it. But I'm not familiar right now. Possibly yes in the past, maybe some time ago. But I'm not familiar at the moment. Yeah. Going where? Going back to the prop firm? You gotta be specific on your going upside, downside. You gotta be very specific with your question. He's waiting for next week to trade it. Right, so he can say that I have this account for a week already. Next week by Monday, Matty's going to be able to say, I got this account for a week. I haven't lost it for a week. Now, I don't think he's going to put his fingers away today. I don't think we're going to shy touch, but we're sleeping around here. Both longs and shorts will get smashed at meaningful levels, round numbers like 29,000. Look at that. I'm shorting here, guys. 7 minutes short. I need to lose 10,000 from this. I need to lose 10,000. It's so hard losing 10,000 in this market conditions. I can assure you for that. I'm gonna be capable of losing 10,000 if we have news. Otherwise, we're gonna print. We gotta lose for consistency reasons. Keep that in mind. Thank you so much, guys. We gotta lose for consistency reasons here. We only need to do 1,600. So losing 10,000 on 7 minis is a hell of a work. I can assure you for that. I first traded in 2014. More of investments. How? I'm just trading normally. Trading normally, making profits after profits. It's not hard at all. Why would you lose when you can make money, Jake? You only lose at the end of the session when you want to bring it down to the consistency. But during the session, during the stream, you just want to make money from the beginning till the end. There's no need to lose when you can make money. Oh yeah. You still got to lose a lot. Yes, I have swing trading accounts. I have swing trading accounts, yeah. Good job. 6 accounts green. That's certainly good. Where do I have to put my stop loss here? All the way to much higher levels. We gotta lose like 10 grand here, yeah. Much higher levels. I'm gonna test out a short on this one. This is not having profits and no trading made on this one today. Oh. I'm too late. I'm too late. I said I'm gonna test out a short and it should have opened at the time the candle opened. That was my strategy. But I'm too late here. It's too late. It's too late to apologize. Oh, yeah. Was not watching the counter. A lot of my trades are as soon as the new candle opens. I'm hoping, guys. Trade and hope. Next candle will be interesting as well for a short. Haven't touched it. Haven't touched it. Maybe I'm touching it now. But it's risky. If we don't cross that 50s. If we don't cross... Oh, there you go. Stop loss break even. Yeah. $75 profit. 75. Let's just go back to this one. I'll take that loss. We still have a lot to lose, 7 grand. Oh yeah. How do you guys like my entry here? 10 minis. Haha. 10 minis. Look at that, guys. You like my entry here? Haha. 10 minis, and we have already 4 grand, or what is it? 4,000 profit, 10 minis entry. Look at that one, guys. 11,000 totally today. 12,000. I'm out of this. I'm out of this. I'm out from there. 12,360. You saw that entry? Look at this entry here, too. I'm out. 12,250. Unbelievable. Scrambos and fire. Prop firms getting terrified. Scrambos and fire. Watch out, guys. Watch out. Boom. Oh my gosh. What an entry on 10 minis. Market is pulling the trigger and I'm going 10 minis long. Watch this. You know, I like both of them. YRM is a little slower in the payouts nowadays. Can't trade your accounts, guys. I need buffer. So, you know, both firms are great, Daniel. If you want evaluation, is YRM is a great evaluation. It's great on instant funded too. Just got to wait a little more on the payouts. But they've been doing Tap 1, maybe a little more expensive, but having no problems with Tap 1. They're faster on the payouts than the Tap 1. Whatever, guys, you just have to find the best approach and the type of accounts. Although you certainly want to consider Lucid Flexes. Might be testing out along here 10 minutes, just a little. I don't need too much, guys, from this. I'm out. Lovely. We made like 1,000, right? 13 grand 560. I told you. And now I might be going for a short, guys. 5 minutes short from here. 10 minutes short from here. Let's see. I'm going 7 minutes short from the other side too. Look at that. We need to lose on this YRM, so remember that. We gotta lose on this YRM. Yes, I know the rules. Oh, great job, Daniel. Great job. Yes, Sebastian. Bank account. But I have a new Rise, by the way. Now, if your Rise is not working, you can have a bank account and you get paid directly to your bank account. I was talking about yesterday on a bank account from US with a credit card and a cashback system. I'm going to send you the link in the chat, guys. Plus crypto as well. Oh, look at that. We're making lovely money here. I'm out of this. We have 2,500. We got 16 grand profit. I'm going to be out of this one too. 3,500 extra. 15 grand 785. Easy. Easy money, guys. Easy. Getting back to your questions. Boom. Rules of the payouts on Lucid. Lucid Flexes. Best choices. 50% of your profits on the funded stage, you can cash it out up to the cap. 50% of your profits. So if you're making 3,000, you can cash out 1,500. It's great. Yeah, this platform, for whoever wants a credit card with a traditional bank account in US plus crypto attached, you get cashback 3%. Working all over the world. You can use that to purchase your where is it? You can grab your prop firm accounts, have cash back on that. Right, so for example, if Rise is not working, you can receive payments directly to EtherFi. US-based company. Once you do your KYC, you got a bank account. You can load it up from directly from props. You can use cryptos as well, and cashback on any purchases, 3%. Yes, Sebastian, you have to ask them in private, basically. So you got to reach out to support, and they will find the solution towards that. Yes, yes, yes. YRM is located in New York City, guys. EtherFi, an online banking model. An online banking model, EtherFi, where you get cash back on your credit card. It has a traditional banking system plus crypto attached, right? So you can convert crypto back and forth. And for those of you having issues with Rise, for example, or you want to use cashback credit cards, you got 3% cashback on your purchases. It's not only for US residents, no, it's worldwide. Worldwide. Yeah. That's the link right there. I'm putting the link in the chat where you can't use it. You can use EtherFi. I'm putting the link in Discord as well for those of you that are interested. Wow, what a move. What a move, guys. Oh my gosh, what a move. This is insane. Yes, Visa card. You get a Visa card basically. You can load it up with crypto. You can convert crypto. You have the traditional banking system. You can load it up with fiat. You have the advantage basically of having a bank account. You have a flexibility there. US based. You can utilize all over the world. It's not for US residents only. 3% cash back. Yeah. Wise is much better, but they don't have the cashback function. Is much better than Rise. Wise, for example. Played. Yeah. Played, but you gotta attach something to Played. Like a bank account, for example, to Played. And you can always attach, for example, the bank account from EtherFi to Played. Like Lucid is paying on Played, right? This is functioning all over the world, guys. EtherFi. Yeah. You can share that with your friends too. I'm watching this crazy price action here. I gotta lose like 13 grand. Which is a lot of the points, guys. How do we lose 13,000 here for the consistency to be fine? I don't want to do this money on 20% consistency. That's gonna be mad crazy, right? Yes. And not only that, option man, not only that, the problem is without any prior notification or any issue, they just close your account without reason. They close mine. Yeah. They closed mine. Extremely recently, just a couple of days ago. Rise closed my account. I got a new one, that's right. Not on my identity. The new one. I'm shorting here, guys. I need to lose money. Yes, 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 yes. So they probably don't like the prop trading world and the prop industry. They don't like that. That's crazy. Option man, that's crazy. That's unheard of. Unheard of. Looks like they have too many clients. They got too many. Why they close the accounts? Because they don't like the prop firms. And simply they just... No consistency when funded, then you ought to go Lucid Flex, buddy. Ticker cat. Lucid Flex, no consistency with funded. Yeah. We're ripping today. We have a non-farm employment change that's double than expected. Plus, we might have news. And the insiders might know something about ceasefire, nuclear deals. They might know something, guys, insiders. Which is why we might be pumping today. We're waiting news from Iran today, and the market is doing this on the New York session. It is radical. Yeah. Played is great. We are about to have a great collab with TPT, Take Profit Trader. We are about to set it up, guys. You know the company very well. We are about to set something great for you with a TPT. Yes, they send you the card, exactly. Valorant. I have to investigate lately what's happening on their drawdown model. Yes. The trailing, right. Babar. Yes. Purple Ninja Fact, that's right. Babar, that's how they're making money. We're trailing unfunded. That's what makes them money. If they put it on end of the day, they have to change the whole business model. They can't have end of the day unfunded with the prices. And what makes them money? The trailing. Seychelles. Have to visit that. So I am shorting this market. You can't expect me to long this market and hope to lose. So I'm shorting. But then what? No, I'm shorting the tops. You guys see that. I'm not shorting the lows. I still don't mind we're making money here, guys. I still don't mind that. Because I'm going to lose it. I'm out of this. If I want to lose it, I long and it's going to be lost. I'm out of this. 17,710. Look at that. How high can we go before I'm going to collapse it on purpose? Yes. It's only till the first 2,000, that's right. Yeah, it has a few years in the market, Take Profit Trader. It's a top level. Huge. Exactly. You can beat that. That's good option, man. That's a good choice. 40 bucks short to get funded. You don't like that, Jake, right? Don't you? Well, think about it. If the prop firms will allow users to transfer funds. Think about if I would be able to transfer funds from here to your prop firm accounts. What would it be, guys? And I would send you 8,000, for example, which is your payout target. You get 3,000 payout, right? I'm sending you 8,000, you get 3,000 payout. How much are you willing to pay for a 3,000 payout and no trading? I could sell prop money. Think about it, guys. This is instant guarantee money, right? Think about it. How much are you willing to pay for a $3,000 payout with all the money received? Prop money. Not a bad idea, right? Every time I pinch them with this idea, they're laughing. Every time I talk with someone from this guy's executive, right? They're laughing. Ha ha ha. We can't do that, Scramble. You know we can't do that. You're a funny guy. Ha ha ha. Which prop firm is the best? By far, Lucid prop firm. Let's go, guys. Here's the link, buddy. Lucid prop firm, max discount, and pretty much everywhere. Scramble coupon code. There you go. Maddie's there. Maddie's gonna be amongst the priority finance ones. Let's short it here. We gotta lose some money. We don't have trades running here. 16 grand profit, 389 on the account. We don't have trades. This was looking like a great short. I will be testing out a 10-minute short here too, guys, on my flex. On my Lucid. 10-minute short. Look at that. Ha ha ha. Oh, yeah. Bring it down, boys. 20, 30 points, bring it down. Come on. I don't want to go stop loss break even yet. Bring it down. Stop loss break even yet right now. Ha 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 ha. How do you expect the prop firms to allow me to send you prop money when this happens, guys? 0 losses today. Why would I? Look at that. No, keep the pressure. Do not make this candle green because I'm going to get out. Keep the pressure alive. Keep the pressure alive. I'm selling 5 minutes here. I'm selling the whole bag. 20,535 profit. Woohoo! Yeah. We're close to 400 grand. I said I'm going to make a video at 300 grand. When I was at 270 or something like that. Boom. I said I'm gonna make a video, not even 270, 211, something like that. The video is on my channel, 211. I said when I'm gonna touch 300, I'll make a video. Let's get out of this one too. Another 1,000. Let's put a stop loss break even there. And go for a juicy winner here, another 8 grand. Yeah. So when I was, I hadn't made a video. My last video is probably that one, guys. I'm gonna look into your messages soon. If you buy one today, 0 cool, it will be activated. And you get this month for free. This month until 31st of May. If you buy one today. So I said I'm gonna... When I was at 211, my last video posted, you can check that out. I was at 211. And I said as soon as I touch 300, which was like 90 grand away, possibly or something, I'm going to make a video. We touched the 300, didn't have time to make the video, and we passed over close to 400. So quickly, guys. Yesterday we made 40 grand on this one. Today 20 grand. 60 grand in 2 days. Let me show you the stats. $12AC is not here. Look at that. 393, 243 profit. 36 days of trading. 36 days. Purdia, yes, they got issues and problems. I'm avoiding Purdia for a long period of time. I'm not touching them. So, look at that. This month, May. Sell in May and go away. What about this week for me, guys? This week. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. What happened this week? This is Lucid, guys, not Savius. Oh, Zero Cool, you're right about. I confused with the 5 accounts. But you can't have 5, you can have 3. That's right. You're not going to get free data next month if you buy the 4th right now. No. You only get free data if you do not have any active account and the first one you buy is going to receive that free data along with the next ones, right? But if you're going through active accounts and you have active accounts running more than 30 days, so I'm not suggesting you to get your accounts right now. Zero Cool, no. Just wait. Wait and see the outcome with the 3 accounts you have. Consistency, no consistency here, guys. No consistency. We don't have consistency on Lucid Flex, guys. On the funded stage, no consistency and target. Yes, this is a Lucid Flex account. No consistency and target. Yes. Call the ambulance. So this week is what? 86,000 this week? You're not going to get a month for free when you already have 3 active, and if you're still going to have active for the next month, if they're still going to continue for the next month and you don't lose them, then the data fee is going to be charged on Savius. Even if you buy an account right now. No. Buying a new account is not adding additional free data. If you already have active accounts from the previous month. Max cap 3,000 per payout, but we are looking for having 5 accounts on max cap. So 15 grand. 15 grand. We got to lose some money here, guys. Come on, help me. What do I have to do? And we're going to start the giveaways. It's still not Zero Cool. It's still not going to be giving you a free account and free data feed. No free data feed in that case scenario because you have 2 active left. And for those 2 active, they will charge you data feed. Yes. So the only way you get a data fee for free on Savius is if you don't have any active account. And with the first one you get free data fee for a month. I'm out of this position. We made some money. But if you have an account from the previous month still active, and the new month comes, it will require you to pay a data fee, even if you buy fresh accounts. I want to lose as much as I have to be down to 1,600 profit. Yes, exactly, Badger. So the evaluation pass rate, of course, depends on the prop firm and the conditions and the plan. Is less than 3%. It's between 2 to 3%, right? So evaluation passed is between 2 to 3%. More than 17 grand I have to lose. More than 17 grand. It's very good futures. You can see the P&L. Yeah. You can see the P&L. Testing out a short from here, guys. It's a little supply. It could work out. We've been choppy around this level. Yes, certainly not overshadow. The only thing, right, so the math are positive for the prop, but the problem is how they manage the workforce and other expenses they have, right? That's the only thing. Because between the relation of earnings and spendings, the prop is winning, that's right. But the thing is, when you're adding additional costs, props might have difficulties there. Props are making money on the plans. The question is if that money is sufficient to hold the entire business, because they got employees, they have many other costs that are existing, many costs existing, right? So they need volume. They need volume, big time volume. They need to sell accounts. You're not surviving today in the prop space if you're not selling accounts of $150,000, $200,000 today per day. You got to sell accounts worth of 200 grand per day. 200 grand per day. Sell accounts that are worth minimum. You had sales of 200 grand per day. You got to have that minimum. $200K per day to survive in sales. But the market cap is insane, guys, for the props. There are prop firms that are selling 5 million a day. $200K per day in sales. Depends where do you run the company. You run the company in the United States. Depends in which state you run the company, right? Yes. We reach 180. We do the giveaway in 2 minutes. Exactly, Badger. It is a business of the numbers. The game of numbers, numbers game. And a lot of the people give up without considering, even if they buy 7, 8, 9, 10 evaluations, by reaching the payout, they're still profitable. So if you're spending on 10 evaluations, like YRM is $70 and the reset with Scramble code is in a, there's a lot of the discount there. You can have like 20 accounts lost and you're still profitable if one is touching the payout. That's crazy, guys. Even the Lucid is having a very good rate. But usually people buy 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and then they give up. You got to find your ratio. You got to find your ratio and advance from there. Yes, if you keep your prop machine. Yeah, exactly. It will buy your next evaluations. And then at some point, that's good, Jake. If you're staying in the evaluation, you have no pressure of the payout. That's the positive part. No pressure of the payout. You don't have the pressure of the payout. Think about it positively. I'm gonna sell here, guys, and because we have to lose, like, you know, serious talk right now. We have to lose, and I'm relonging it here. Hopefully it's coming down. Hopefully it's coming down. We gotta lose. Please stop going upwards. Right, so certainly a fresh company is not going to sustain itself without gamblers. No chance, zero chance. Unless they have a significant injection of resources, of own personal resources, which is something that's not happening, right? No one comes with $5 million and creates a prop firm. No one. They got a lot less than that when they start. So prop firms need gamblers, heavy ones. Especially at the beginning. I'm going to be out of this. Especially at the beginning. You got to get your cash flow. And prop firms can have multiple sources of income. Can have. The thing is, they need to discover the performance traders, invest in those guys, and hope their model of trading is not changing, their performance of trading is not changing when they are going live. I mean, if you have 100 people, 100 traders on live, think about it, guys. So think about the following thing. If you have 100 live traders that are producing for you as a company $200, what's that? $200 times 100 per day. $20,000 per day times 20 days. $400,000. From 100 live traders that are producing you $200 a day. The giveaway happens in a few minutes, 2-3 minutes. 400 grand for you as a prop firm, right? So eventually the prop firm needs to discover 100 traders, finance them for the live stage, till the point they can earn for the company $200 per day. $200 per day means 400 grand per month. And I think a prop firm can cover most of their expenses from that. Most of their expenses from that. Right? So having traders working for you on live and splitting profits with those traders is basically the main place these companies will start banking. All right, guys, 2 minutes and we start the giveaway. 2 minutes. Watch out for the price section going nuts. Playing 30 games. We gotta lose money. I just cannot finish my day with such a profit. We gotta lose. I'm out of this. If I want to lose, I only have to long it here, and I'm gonna lose. Like, this one has to go 50 points down at some point. Maybe Trump is typing. I'm not gonna make a prop firm, no. The problem for me making a prop firm is the necessarily time needed to be dedicated. And 24 hours out of 24 is not going to be sufficient for that. Right? So I have to wake up an hour earlier and work 25 hours. And this is something you got to do for many, many months. Right, so 24 out of 24 is not sufficient. You got to wake up an hour earlier and do 25. Maybe today will be a lucky day for you, Domi. You got a big stuff yesterday. So close. But you got a taste. You got a taste. So here we are, guys. I'm going to get out of this, but I'm not going to get out of this. I told you I'm going to long it because it's time to lose. We have to lose 17 grand, even more than that. On 7 minis, how many points do we have to lose? 17 grand. Oh, lovely. Lovely, guys. Lovely. I told you, I need a 50 points drop, and we're getting it. I'm going to hold on my short. That's a lovely 5-minute. Alright, guys, so... we need the ducks, we need the whale, and we need formula. We don't have trades running on Lucid. 20 grand profit here. I'm satisfied. I can be fully relaxed for the weekend, right? Fully relax. Alright, guys, so first things first, you want to complete the form for the giveaway. Giveaway time. Oh yeah, 8,000. I'm selling here and reshorting it higher. We still have to lose 9,000. So complete a form. 122 points. It's a hell of a work. But we're gonna lose it. Then like the video, guys, for the giveaway. Like the video. Everyone like the video. Then be subscribed to my YouTube channel, streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 AM EST time. Daily giveaways, live trading, and a lot of great talk. Daily, exactly. And you want to be part of our Discord community, guys. These are mandatory conditions for you to qualify. Here's the form. Here's the form. I'm going to reshort this one as we go higher. It's easy for me to do the due diligence and lose that money needed. Due diligence. Yes, 200 likes, exactly. 200 likes, come on. $200 likes, one more needed. Let's go, guys. Come on, one more needed. First account is going to be 50,000 Lucid Flex. Lovely. 50,000 Lucid Flex, guys. I'm sure you guys like it. I am sure. Only a single guess per person. The whole game is simple. You gotta guess the number. Only a single guess per person. I'm gonna test out a short from here. Let me put my stop loss. Not a short, a long. Because I want to lose. Yeah, let's lose that first. 8,600, we're gonna lose that. Massive UFO believer. Haha. Alright. So watch out for the numbers, guys. Between 0 and 9, let me know your best choice. Between 0 and 9, you can start right now. Let me know your best choice, guys. Between 0 and 9. Come on, let's go. Let's go, guys. Come on. Between 0 and 9. Guess the number. $50,000 Lucid Flex today on the table. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. You want to stop right there. Shuffle and we're good to go. This is the first giveaway. Lucid Flex 50,000. He's not going to be number 6. Could be number 5, guys. He's not going to be number 2. That might be 8. But I think we're going to number 5. Look at that. Slowly and steadily to number 5. Yeah. I'm sorry for those of you that went with number 8. That's not going to sit on number 8, guys. The aliens push the wheel. The aliens are real and push the wheel to number 5. Congratulations. Number 5. You only got to go with the numbers. You only got to go with the numbers, guys. $30 winners, 30 seconds competition time. Are we making money here? Yes, this is looking juicy. Beautiful. We gotta lose, keep that in mind. We made way too much money. Way too much money. Let's go. Who's gonna speed up, guys? Who's gonna speed up? Make sure you filled up the form, because there's no crying in a league solely to trading. Congratulations, Zillan the second. Zillan the second, solely to trading. There you go. Did you fill up the form? Zill is waiting for the outcome. He might take this. Let's find it out. Did you fill up the form, Solitude? Xoli? Oh yeah, Xoli's here. Congratulations. Oh yeah, here we are. Congratulations, buddy. 50,000. Lucid Flex goes out to your pocket. Time for the next one. Time for the next wheel. Now we're doing 50,000 YRM. 50,000 YRM for the third giveaway, second giveaway, and the last for today. 50,000 YRM. Oh, look at that. This is starting to make some money, and I don't like that. We gotta lose. Remember, we gotta lose. So listen up. We're gonna have only 5 numbers. 000, double number 2. 000, double number 2. You can start right now. Let me know your best choice. 000, double number 2. Let's go for it, guys. Let me know your best choice. 000, double number 2. It's easy, right? What are your chances for zeros? Probably about 60%, right? It's easy. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Stop right there. Game over. Best of luck, guys. Best of luck, everyone. Here we come. Here we come. Here we come. Oh, that could be the green 0. That could be the green 0. It is. It is, guys. The pedal is functioning. That's the green 0. Congratulations for the winners. Congratulations. Very close. Very close. Could have been worse. Could have been the yellow 0, and that's not as close, right? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. Congratulations. We're going to have 2 rounds of duck races. We're going to play some heavy games with that. 2 rounds of duck races. Because we're going to have more than 100 winners. Look at that, 135 winners. With Dr. Kulu sitting at the top. You guys will compete for a minute and listen up how you qualify. Listen up. Listen up. Who's going to qualify for the second round? So, listen up, guys. Listen up. The second plus the fourth plus the last. So, second, fourth, and the last will qualify for the second round. I prefer the last nowadays. Yeah. Second, fourth, and the last. Do not wish to win, guys. Do not wish to win. Because you don't win anything. Second, fourth, and the last. Come on. Alex Sponge down. You won the wrong race, Alex. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Alex ran the wrong race. MMXM, SMC. You got this. Second, fourth. JC, Lira. JC Lirares. Good job. VT Clothing, you got on the fifth. Oh, so close to that. Look at that. So MMCMX. JC Leroy's. There you go. And then we have basically the last. Who's the last? Oh boy, Trader. Oh my gosh. Oh boy, Trader. He won recently, guys. Oh boy, Trader is the last. Best loser afterwards. And Trader NQ. But oh boy, Trader. Let's verify them. MMXM, are you here? Yes, you're confirmed. Congratulations. The next one is JC. Little Race. JC Little Race. And then the oh boy. Oh boy, Trader is here as well. Congratulations for all the three. You guys are qualifying second round. Time for you to go heavy about this. You don't know who's winning for the second round, don't you? 24 ducks with your names. 30 seconds competition time. Best of luck there. This is crazy, guys. So, you know who's taking? You know who's taking the 50,000? The second ranked. The second ranked is taking the 50,000 account. The second ranked is winning here. The second ranked. Oh my god. You guys saw that, right? Oh boy, Trader. Oh boy, Trader. The second ranked is winning today. 50,000 YRM. Congratulations. Oh my gosh. That's incredible, man. That's incredible. That's incredible the way you speed up. MMXM. So the last one actually won. Exactly. Oh boy, the last one. The big lucky guy today. He was the last one on the duck race. Remember that. Oh yeah. He was the last one on the duck race, guys. Congratulations once again. Congratulations for the winners. I bet multiple times. There you go. Best loser takes it, just like in trading. Caprone. Catch you on Mondays, guys. Have a lovely weekend. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Wish you a lovely day out here. Thank you once again. Meet you on Discord for any other talk. Great stream. Thank you guys once again. Talk to you soon. Have a lovely time. Have a lovely weekend. Peace.